Git can be very useful for either backing up your code to the cloud or syncing your code across devices, but I've heard that some Git commands, if you type them in wrong, they can completely destroy a repository. So I am just going to give you a short tutorial on the basic Git commands and how to not screw them up. So first we want to change directory to your documents or your desktop, wherever you store your code. Now you're going to type git clone and then the link to a Git repository. That is how you download a Git repository onto your computer. Now go ahead and make some changes to your code, and now type git add dot to add all the changes to the commit. Now git commit -m and then in quotes the description of your commit. In this case, fixed typewriter not working. And then type git push. And it may come up with a window asking you to log in with GitHub or something. If you don't use GitHub, then it won't. And you just have to click login with browser. Let's say you made a change on a different device. Type in git pull to pull the changes from the repository to your computer. Very simple. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.